How to manage app permission on Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how to manage app permission on Android. Let's begin. Open up Settings. Once you are on Settings menu, scroll down and find your app section. Tap on it to get to your permission. Tap on the three dots at the top right and go to Permission Manager. Now let's say if I don't want certain apps to access my microphone, I can go there, select the app that you want to allow or don't allow. Let's say if I don't want Instagram to access my microphone, I can tap on Instagram and then tap on Don't Allow. Once that is done, you'll be good to go. Down below, you'll see apps that are not allowed your microphone access or any other access for that matter. Just tap on the app, and if you want to allow it, tap on Allow while using the app, and you're going to be good to go. You can do this for any other permission as well, and this is where you manage all of your permissions. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next